What if I told you there's a river in the Amazon that literally cooks anything alive that falls into it? I'm talking about water so hot it reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's near boiling point, flowing for 4 miles through the jungle, 400 miles from the nearest volcano. Scientists thought this was just a myth until one brave geologist risked his life to prove it exists. But that's just the beginning. Did you know there's an entire continent twice the size of India hiding beneath the Pacific Ocean? I'm about to blow your mind with 50 geography facts so unbelievable, so absolutely insane, that you'll question everything you thought you knew about our planet. Some of these discoveries are so recent that most people have never heard of them. If you're ready to have your reality completely shattered, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because what you're about to discover will leave you speechless. Trust me, your friends won't believe half of these facts. Let's dive right in. Fact 1. The River of Death. Deep in Peru's Amazon rainforest flows the Shanai Timpishka, a river so hot it kills everything that enters it. This thermal river reaches temperatures between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 200 degrees Fahrenheit, stretching for 3.9 miles with depths of nearly 15 feet. Any animal that falls in is instantly cooked alive. The mystery? There's no volcano for 400 miles, yet geothermal springs deep underground create this deadly natural phenomenon. Fact 2. Earth's lost continent. Zealandia is a continent twice the size of India that's been hiding in plain sight beneath the Pacific Ocean. 94% of this massive landmass is completely submerged, with only New Zealand and New Caledonia peeking above the waves. Scientists only officially recognized Zealandia as a continent in 2017, despite it being right there all along. This underwater continent broke away from Australia around 85 million years ago and slowly sank beneath the waves. Fact 3. The Four-Country Standing Point. At Four Corners Monument in the United States, you can literally place each hand and foot in a different state. Arizona, Colorado, New Mexico, and Utah meet at this exact intersection. The only place on Earth where you can be in 4 states simultaneously. This monument was surveyed in 1868 using 19th century equipment, yet modern GPS shows it's incredibly accurate. It's also the only place in America where you can technically break the law in 4 states at once. Fact 4. The lightning capital of the world. Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela experiences the most intense lightning on the planet, with 260 storm days per year. The Catatumbo lightning produces up to 28 lightning flashes per minute in a never-ending natural fireworks show. This phenomenon occurs when trade winds collide with the Andes Mountains, creating perfect conditions for constant electrical storms. The lightning is so reliable that sailors have used it for navigation for centuries. Fact 5. The Impossible Island. In the Philippines, there's an island within a lake, on an island, within a lake, on another island. Vulcan Point sits within Crater Lake, which is on Taal Volcano Island, which sits in Taal Lake, on Luzon Island. It's like a geographical Russian nesting doll that defies logic and creates one of Earth's most bizarre natural formations. This unique structure was formed by multiple volcanic eruptions over thousands of years. Fact 6. The entire town under one roof. Whittier, Alaska is a town where almost everyone lives in the same building. A single 14-story structure housing nearly all 200 residents. Inside this vertical city, you'll find a post office, grocery store, school, church, and medical clinic all under one roof. Some residents go weeks without stepping outside, especially during the brutal Alaskan winters. The building was originally constructed as a military barracks during World War II. Fact 7. Russia versus an entire planet. Russia is so massive it covers 17 million square kilometers, larger than Pluto's entire surface area of 16.6 million square kilometers. You could literally place the entire dwarf planet on Russia, and it wouldn't even cover the whole country. Russia spans 11 time zones and stretches from Europe to Asia, making it larger than any other country by far. To put this in perspective, You could fit the United States into Russia almost twice. Fact 8. The sea, that isn't the Dead Sea, isn't actually a sea at all. It's a hypersaline lake so salty you can float on it without any swimming ability. Its extreme salt concentration is nearly 10 times saltier than the ocean, making it impossible for most life forms to survive. The water is so dense that it's virtually impossible to dive underwater, and the salt creates bizarre crystal formations along the shoreline. This natural wonder sits at the lowest point on Earth's surface. Fact 9. The flattest country on Earth. The Maldives is so flat that its highest natural point is just 2.4 meters above sea level. That's less than 8 feet. The entire country has only 5 meters difference between its highest and lowest points, making it flatter than a pancake. This extreme flatness makes the Maldives more vulnerable to rising sea levels than anywhere else on Earth. The country consists of 1,192 coral islands scattered across 26 atolls in the Indian Ocean.